Welcome. This is a product overview of ComplianceForge's SCF Bundle 2, the robust documentation solution. Over the next few minutes, we will walk through what it is, what problems it solves, exactly which 13 products are included, and how it compares to writing this documentation yourself. The SCF Bundle 2 includes 13 ComplianceForge products focused on operationalizing the secure controls framework. The policies and standards for the Security, Compliance, and Resilience Program, the matching procedures, the CSCRM Strategy and Implementation Plan, the Risk Management Program, the Cybersecurity Risk Assessment Template, the Vulnerability and Patch Management Program, the Integrated Incident Response Program, the Continuity of Operations Plan, Secure Baseline Configurations, the Information Assurance Program, the Secure Engineering and Data Privacy Program, the Cybersecurity Business Plan, and the Data Privacy Program. A complete cybersecurity and privacy program is more than policies. It is the procedures that operationalize them, the plans for continuity and incident response, the secure baselines, and the privacy program behind them, all expected to align and map to whatever framework an auditor names next. Could your documentation produce all of that from one consistent source today? The SCF Bundle 2 is ComplianceForge's most comprehensive SCF-aligned set, pairing strategic, operational, and tactical templates that map to over 200 frameworks. So your team tailors rather than authors and starts roughly 80 to 90% of the way there. The SCRP and its corresponding procedures come together to provide premium GRC content that enables an organization to establish or refresh its governance, risk, and compliance practices. Not only do you get the policies, standards, controls, procedures, and metrics that form the basis of security and privacy operations, but you also get program-level guidance that addresses common areas of compliance and business risk. The end result is a comprehensive, customizable, easily implemented set of documentation that your company needs to establish a scalable, best-in-class cybersecurity and privacy program. And if you want a customized bundle, ComplianceForge is happy to create one for you. This bundle builds on the core documentation that comes in SCF Bundle 1 and adds much-needed tactical and operational guidance, a continuity of operations plan, secure baseline configurations to harden your systems, an information assurance program to govern pre-production security testing, secure engineering and data privacy to help ensure privacy and cybersecurity principles are designed and managed properly, a cybersecurity business plan template to help formalize a strategy for the cybersecurity department, and a data privacy program that helps accelerate the adoption and implementation of a privacy program at your organization. It is the most comprehensive SCF-aligned documentation bundle from ComplianceForge. Built on the Security, Compliance, and Resilience Program and the Secure Controls Framework, it provides strategic, operational, and tactical documentation across 13 individual products. Here is where the Secure Controls Framework sits across ComplianceForge's documentation spectrum. So what exactly is the SCF Bundle 2? Formerly known as DSP Bundle 3, Robust Digital Security, it is the most comprehensive SCF-aligned documentation bundle ComplianceForge offers. It combines 13 individual products into a single, coordinated documentation set. This bundle is the SCF equivalent of CMMC Bundle 4 in terms of product breadth, but with one key difference. Where the CMMC bundle includes the System Security Plan and the Plan of Action and Milestones template required for CMMC assessment, the SCF Bundle 2 instead includes the Data Privacy Program to support privacy program operations. That makes it the preferred option for organizations that need comprehensive cybersecurity and privacy documentation across many frameworks, but are not specifically pursuing CMMC certification. And like every SCF-aligned ComplianceForge product, the documentation in this bundle maps to over 200 statutory, regulatory, and contractual frameworks. The SCRP at the core has one-to-one mapping with the Secure Controls Framework, so policies, standards, controls, procedures, and metrics align across the entire bundle. This bundle is a one-time purchase of editable Microsoft Office-based documentation templates. There is no software to install, no agent to deploy, no account to provision, and no cloud environment to configure. If your organization can open and edit Microsoft Word or Excel files, or compatible tools like OpenOffice and Google Workspace, you can use every product in this bundle. Everything is delivered as fully editable Word and Excel files, compatible with Word 2016 and newer, Microsoft 365, OpenOffice, LibreOffice, and Google Docs and Sheets. All 13 products in the bundle are delivered via email download link within 1 to 2 business days of purchase. There is no installer, no license server, and no activation step. And it is a one-time purchase. A single entity license is included, and the bundle price is a one-time charge. The SCRP and the CSOP include the first year of product updates, with optional annual subscription renewals available thereafter. This deployment model is intentional. Cybersecurity documentation belongs in your organization's own document management systems, not locked inside a vendor's SaaS tool. Once delivered, every document in this bundle belongs to you. Enterprise organizations with complex, multi-framework compliance obligations often need much more than policies and procedures. They need program-level documentation for risk, vulnerability, incident response, continuity, configuration hardening, and privacy operations. The SCF Bundle 2 is designed to address all of these in a single, coordinated bundle. The first is strategic, operational, and tactical coverage. Most documentation vendors sell policies and procedures only. This bundle includes program-level documentation for risk, vulnerability, incident response, continuity, secure configurations, information assurance, secure engineering, cybersecurity strategy, and data privacy operations. The second is multi-framework compliance through the SCF. The SCRP, at the core, has one-to-one mapping with the Secure Controls Framework, which maps to over 200 cybersecurity and data privacy frameworks. A single bundle addresses compliance with many simultaneous obligations. And the third is that a privacy program is included. Unlike the CMMC-focused bundles, this one includes the Data Privacy Program, which accelerates adoption of a privacy program addressing GDPR, the California Privacy Acts, and other data privacy laws. The SCF Bundle 2 delivers a pre-assembled, coordinated set of 13 products that together provide strategic, operational, and tactical documentation across an entire cybersecurity and privacy program. The first is SCF-aligned documentation. Every product is mapped one-to-one with the Secure Controls Framework, which covers 34 domains across over 200 statutory, regulatory, and contractual frameworks. Compliance with multiple frameworks happens through a single control set. The second is audit-defensible documentation. Every product is written to withstand scrutiny by external assessors. That includes control objectives, metrics, capability maturity criteria, and one-to-one procedure to control mapping for evidence of implementation. And the third is same-day delivery. ComplianceForge processes most orders the same business day. Expect delivery within 1 to 2 business days of purchase, with all 13 products arriving together. So what do you actually receive? The SCF Bundle 2 includes 13 ComplianceForge products delivered together as a discounted bundle. Each is a complete, standalone deliverable. The first is the policies and standards for the Security, Compliance, and Resilience Program. A hybrid, best-in-class approach to cybersecurity documentation with a one-to-one mapping relationship to the Secure Controls Framework, so it maps to over 200 leading practices. The second is the matching SCRP procedures, the same approach applied to a comprehensive set of cybersecurity procedures. The third is the CSCRM Strategy and Implementation Plan, intended to operationalize a supply chain risk management program aligned with NIST 800-161 Revision 1. The fourth is the Risk Management Program, addressing the strategic, operational, and tactical components of risk management. The fifth is the Cybersecurity Risk Assessment Template, which provides the format to produce high-quality risk assessment reports. The sixth is the Vulnerability and Patch Management Program, addressing how to actually manage patching and vulnerability management. The seventh is the Integrated Incident Response Program, addressing how to actually manage incident response operations, including forensics and reporting. The eighth is the Continuity of Operations Plan, addressing how to actually plan for and respond to both business continuity and disaster recovery operations. The ninth is Secure Baseline Configurations, the documentation solution to efficiently document what constitutes a hardened system in your organization. The 10th is the Information Assurance Program, focused on pre-production testing to validate the existence and functionality of controls, before a system goes into production. The 11th is the Secure Engineering and Data Privacy Program, which serves as expert-level guidance to run a specific capability or function within your cybersecurity department. The 12th is the Cybersecurity Business Plan, the business plan template tailored for a cybersecurity department. And the 13th is the Data Privacy Program, the editable privacy program template that ensures data protection-related controls are adequately identified and implemented. Now compare that against the two alternatives for obtaining quality cybersecurity documentation. For your internal staff to generate comparable documentation, it would take them an estimated 4,100 internal staff work hours, which equates to a cost of approximately $376,500 in staff-related expenses. That is about 36 to 48 months of development time, where your staff would be diverted from other work. If you hire a consultant to generate this documentation, it would take them an estimated 3,100 contractor work hours, which equates to a cost of approximately $942,250. That is about 24 to 36 months of development time for a contractor to provide the deliverable. This bundle is approximately 7% of the cost of your internal staff and approximately 3% of the cost for a consultant to generate equivalent documentation. The bundle itself is $27,412. So how much work is left for you? ComplianceForge aims for approximately a 90% solution across all 13 products in the bundle. ComplianceForge did the heavy lifting, and the remaining work is fine-tuning the documentation with the specific information that only your organization knows. In practice, customization is essentially filling in the blanks, adding your company name and logo, which is applied automatically to every document in the bundle. Tailoring parameters, such as review cadences and thresholds. Naming specific owner roles. Removing sections that do not apply. And setting environment-specific values, such as system inventories and risk tolerances. If you want a hand, ComplianceForge offers optional professional services. They are not required to customize ComplianceForge documentation. The 5-hour bundle may be beneficial for companies that need some guidance on getting started with how to tailor their documentation. The 10-hour bundle is for companies that need additional guidance on tailoring their documentation to meet their compliance requirements. And the 20-hour bundle is for companies that need robust services beyond just 10 hours to assist in tailoring their documentation. Purchased professional service hours expire 120 days, or 4 months, from the time of purchase if unused. Hours are intended to supplement, not replace, your own customization work. There are more reasons to buy. The SCF Bundle 2 is built around the Secure Controls Framework, which maps to over 200 statutory, regulatory, and contractual frameworks. The SCF is comprised of 34 domains that cover the high-level topics expected to be addressed by cybersecurity and privacy obligations. Common frameworks the SCF maps to include NIST 853, NIST CSF 2.0, ISO 27001 and 27002, NIST 800-171, and CMMC, HIPAA, PCI DSS, SOC 2, GDPR, and the California Privacy Acts. And with the inclusion of the Data Privacy Program in this bundle, privacy framework coverage is particularly strong. That makes the SCF Bundle too ideal for organizations that need to address both cybersecurity and data privacy obligations simultaneously. One last thing. The SCF Bundle 2 covers the most comprehensive enterprise SCF configuration, but every organization's needs are different. ComplianceForge will build a custom bundle for any combination of products if your requirements differ from the standard bundles. And if you are pursuing CMMC certification specifically, consider CMMC Bundle 4 instead. It has the same product breadth, but swaps the Data Privacy Program for the System Security Plan and the Plan of Action and Milestones template required for CMMC assessment. To request a custom bundle quote, contact ComplianceForge directly with a list of the products you need and your timeline. If you have any questions, please email support@complianceforge.com or call 1-307-241-8740. We've been helping organizations since 2005, and we are always happy to help.